How would one describe 2025? Turbulent, monumental, polarized, but surely transformative. Wars were waged, conflicts were fought, protests erupted across the world. Yet, amid all of this, a few moments became forever etched in our memory and impacted us all. Here's a look back at the events that moved the world. The first one is Trump tariffs. 2025 began by ushering in US's newly elected President Donald Trump into the White House for the second tenure. But if one could give word of the year solely for America, it would be tariffs. Trump's second term began January 20 with immediate policy shifts. But broad tariffs ramped up significantly. Universal 10% tariffs were announced in early April, sector-specific hikes and sweeping country-specific reciprocal tariffs implemented in waves. The tariffs caused global trade tensions, economic volatility, and were a defining feature of 2025's geopolitical and economic landscape. On the religious front, the world saw many major events this year. The Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj became the largest human gathering ever, attracting 450 to 660 million devotees over 45 days for sacred baths at the Triveni Sangam. A symbol of faith, culture and logistical triumph. Months later, Pope Francis's death in April at age of 88 led to the election of Chicago-born Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost as Pope Leo XIV, the first American pontiff. His selection sparked global excitement, debates on US influence in the church, and a focus on unity amid division. 2025 saw intense global instability from unresolved wars and new escalations. War persisted in Ukraine for the fourth year. The age-old hostilities between Israel and Iran erupted into an explicit military conflict. 2025 was also a year of tensions across Southeast Asia, from the Thai-Cambodian border skirmishes to Myanmar's civil war, and a terrorist attack on India's Pahalgam also flared up tensions between India and Pakistan, which marked the most serious military crisis in decades between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. In October 2025, clashes erupted between Afghanistan and Pakistan, the deadliest since the Taliban's return to power in 2021. Talking about ceasefires, they were fragile. A January Gaza truce collapsed by March amid aid blockades and airstrikes, while Ukraine saw partial energy infrastructure halts but no full peace. Gen Z protests erupted worldwide in 2025. Protests in Nepal toppled the government over corruption. Similar uprisings shook Morocco, Madagascar, Peru, Mexico, and beyond. Gen Z's demand for accountability, equality, and opportunity signaled a generational push for systemic change. These centralized movements use social media like TikTok, Instagram, and memes as resistance symbols. NASA astronauts Bush Wilmore and Suni Williams, who went to space in June 2024 for a test flight, finally returned to Earth on March 17 this year. Elon Musk's SpaceX broke its single-year launch record in 2025 by launching 170 times so far this year. And for the first time, a private spacecraft called Blue Ghost landed on the moon. The year 2025 marked a pivotal year for AI as it bolstered stock markets amid massive investments. Explosive growth with OpenAI's ChatGPT-5, Chinese breakthroughs like DeepSeek, Paris AI Action Summit on Global Governance, and humanoid robot games in Beijing. This year belonged to AI. And now, as we step into the new year, what do you think will move the world next? Do let us know in the comments below and keep watching NDTV.